So today what we are going to do is we're going to talk about a app called Jamboard. It's a collaborative app that is really nice that the kids can do on their iPads. And then you can also see what they're doing on your computer. Not as many options on the computer as there is on the iPad, but we're going to switch over a little bit later in this video to show you. So let's find out how to get to Jamboard. It's in your waffle. Scroll down, and there it is right there. So you're going to click on that, and it opens right up. And it has all kinds of different apps or Jamboards. It'll show the different Jamboards that you've done. One of the cool things about this is it's collaborative. So you can end up working with multiple students to figure out how this works. Okay, so let's just take a look at this one. This one is one I created that was on the iPad. And so you can kind of see what I did here. So we're going to open this one. Let me double click on it. It shows up here in a second. While we're waiting, is you're going to have some things that you'll see on the iPad that you don't have on the computer. So we'll definitely show you those. So this is a tree that shows up on the iPad, and I can get rid of it really easy. One of the arrows there, I can just draw my circle, or I can click on it. We can delete it. All right. So you have some writing tools. It's kind of nice. You can have different writing tools. You have different colors of ink. You have an eraser. So if I write here and I want to erase it, maybe I just want to erase a little bit. It can erase a little bit, or it can erase the whole thing by clearing that frame. We have different backgrounds we can play with. Maybe you want it lined. Maybe the kids want it in squares, or maybe they just want it back to white. We have sticky notes, so you can put like history of a cookie, and we can press save on this. So there it is over there. So maybe we want to say history of a candy bar. We can change that color, press save, it shows up, cancel there, bring that over, and then the kids can write down what is some of the history of a cookie and history of a candy bar, all in collaboration, and you can see it by simply going up to the share button, and then you can share it with anybody you want just by putting it in there. Okay. You can also send the link out if you really wanted to. You can add pictures if you'd like. And what's nice is, say we want to do a Google image search, cookies. You click on the cookie, select it, notice here, it'll take you right to it. Okay, you can click it, it gives it, you can give the data or the source of the picture. So you can select it, and it shows up right there. You can duplicate that, or you can just delete it. Okay, so that is what Jamboard looks like on your computer. I'm going to switch over to the iPad here in just a second, and we'll show you what it looks like on the iPad. So on the iPad, as we switch over from the computer, we'll take a look at Jamboard. There's my app for Jamboard. And so I started one already. As you can see, over on the left-hand side, you have a lot more options than what you can. You press that X. There you got sticky note, images, drive content, camera, image library, stickers. You can click on the stickers here, and you can put a sticker there, put one there. You can point to things. So you can get rid of that. The phone, obviously, there's different ones there. Take your arrow, and you can delete it. So you can see it just deletes them right off. Makes it nice. This is a kind of a cool feature. This is a text writing to text. That's kind of nice. So it'll look like this. It'll be, so hi. If you want to, you can move, you can strike them off if you want like that. It's just that simple. Okay, so it'll recognize it, and maybe sometimes it doesn't. So we'll just grab it and throw it away. All right. Still has the same features as, maybe you want to go up here to the writing tool. You can still write. You can try to draw. This one's kind of cool. So say you are drawing a triangle, a tree. So then it'll come up underneath here. You kind of come across, okay, I want that tree. You can change that. And just put that right there. So you can kind of see how this can be used a lot different than what's on your computer. But you could have 4 or 5 of your iPad set up with this collaborative tool. So this is what it looks like on your iPad. Thank you very much for watching today. Hope you have a great weekend.